Mm-hmm. Yeah, yes, left boy. Great, me it's not sleep.
I don't know why the fitness gear is so expensive.
That me I say. Like how you tell them.
I done, I tell them. I don't know what they say, yo, up the price, then you know. One 1,300. I get them for 1,000.
Yesterday they did there 1,500, 800.
Yeah. I need an inform card to put up to try to get the play there. Did they get the pot done? Did they get that the inform? The inform. No, I would have to buy one. How would I buy one? Do? I mean, I have no money. I have to go sell somebody to buy.
Damn. One thing a bowl of fire over here for me there.
I know my best time to do it still. I would have to go sell the Ericsson. And try to get that in from. I sell the Ericsson, I try to get the infant card. That's the only card we can really sell.
Run.
I'll go for 70k. 60k or something. I can't sell the Ericsson, you know. After the game, I'm gonna go pre. You should have can do the swap deal thing again and buy. I went not buy bash. Yeah, a bash right? Yeah.
Great bash wine.
And then we get the bash right. I say you should could do it again if you get the bash right.
Damn, you never know say man right behind me there.
Might take the pot them tomorrow. And then I take the money and the pot. I'm taking the pot them too because the legend thing still out, right? And I take the pot then still. Should I quit you know about our legend said. No.
You the quitter them boy, she got quit. The man of legend side.
Kick out a little side over there.
You teach me not done.
I'm not teaching.
Poor me.
Oh, you get soccer there, but hi guys.
Alright guys. Die.
And over there, I put on in cheat code.
Remember, boy, fiction, no, sitting there, dude. Arsenal, dude, for me. Put on cheat code, a be a glitchy game start glitch. Game I play good, you know? And the man pass 2 times and start laugh.
Arsenal?
Yeah.
You have cheat code already?
Brother, me don't know about the game start lag my youth.
And you win?
Yeah. One dirty piece of cheat code. Tell you say game I play.
Pass, wanna take long. Naja, you see them people that were rage.
Yeah, me see if I watch some more video after that with them are rage.
Yeah, right. Boy, one long year man that was today where I was at.
Yeah, him shouting and sitting. Man say kapota leta patata leta patata. Damn. Well vexed.
Go in a room and just start
Suffocate your voice under a pillow.
boy, me get a worry for them. Happened to me, man. For the 90 minutes. After 90 minutes goal, the man I score for me after one.
Damn.
I don't know. The narrow formation we kill a boy.
Damn. Damn. Don't they, I beg you. How much in gun? Damn. Don't dead. If me dead, me done with the game and kill myself. Don't dead. The man almost dead in no skulls. Yes.
Why can't we? Okay.
Well, dead over here. Get in there, Jay.
Ethan? No. Father? Father?
And I do some tricks over here, boy.
They mind them, I can't
Hold
play.
up, man.
I'm so scared.
What?
You know, Jay, man.
What?
I know, son.
Be a nice microphone, bro.
We go. That's all me go. No, yeah, talk about. Whoa.
You know what? We say next word, you know.
You guys are dangerous, man. Whoa. We want.
Oh, my son.
It's only. Big baller.
Infa.
His only fault was that he was mine.
Some man can't ask my knees and them. What
Big baller, call me Benzema.
Hey, man, what a man team a push up, you know?
Hey, Brazil.
Why can't I have one?
You know the answer.
But I want to be strong, like you, Father.
This gift can be dangerous. And I don't want you getting hurt, Ethan.
Well, what about when I grow up?
Like it hot.
But why? I want one.
Because it's not God's plan. Do you understand me, son?
You're an old man. And when you die, I will take one.
Big game this weekend.
Oh,
United versus Liverpool.
a dead man.
Understood God's plan.
United, I bring them back to school.
I thought
After we now play pool. But
But he
so
will
then
not
not
fool.
dead boy, then a fool. Bumbo.
You know,
Huh?
thing.
Then not JC.
But I
No,
am
sir.
not his shepherd. You are.
Not bring me. Fire for that.
Him a bring me, because him pregnant, 9 months pregnant with me.
My soul has become a cancer. I am a monster.
When I save my money, that show
Suffering
it.
and death in the name of
I legend of it inside, you know.
Joseph just burn down a tree for free.
is all ash.
The man a team person side of fuck.
Eden is dust.
Joseph C.
And there is no redemption for this.
Are you playing that game? Far Cry?
No.
Yeah, I done ya know. 5 days it take me for done it. Watch out. Let me shoot him.
There is only the justice of gods.
Yeah, alright, let me shoot him.
End this vicious cycle.
The Kevin.
Give me God's justice.
Run
Release.
down that Kevin. Run down that Kevin. Do so.
Oh, boy, I didn't get shot. Joseph Seed is dead. Make sure it's ain't dead for real. Rush. Yeah. No, Joseph Seed, the man, his son, me just kill his son, and me just kill him. That I wonder did in a Far Cry 5 where cause all that madness. Stupid man. Oh wait, hold up. Come here, my pig.
That they need to take out that blood clot again, the juggling thing. It's like when the man them bounce the ball in the air, you can't touch them. Yeah. I need to take that out of the game, bro. Me not see how that is fair.
It is fair, thank you. If me start learning for those skills, you know, cause FIFA 20 me I gonna become really dangerous, you know. Me say we may go dangerous done.
The man team tired in a done.
I tell you say FIFA police them
Yeah.
are gonna come for me, dog.
Man team upon red, bro. The so upon red. Everyone name.
So bless TV.
And I still intercept.
Of course. Right, why if we Joseph Seed name in a youth, you really name Joseph Seed, you could name Joseph something else, Joseph Mary or something. Boy, if you burn up in a done, whoever make them game, you know, if you burn up them in a youth. Like that, me I tell you. No, me just kill him. Whoa. Boy, done tell him to make a name and them thing, yeah, boy, done you low out the thing at you, I'm not telling you, yo.
I don't understand this shit, bro.
What's the
There.
market? Shut in your way. Too much.
Bumbleclaw Batman at the post, bro.
Skulls is playing FIFA, guys, by the way. I'm not playing that stupid game, guys. It's because it's really stupid.
No, Skull.
FIFA is not my game, guys. Only FIFA 20. Someone will find 6 spring.
Yeah.
Jump.
Like the man put them and play up cocaine, brother. How them a run so fast? Ooh, and the man saved that. What's the crap?
How am I to beat ya?
Yeah, by one goal.
Yeah, man, I them on that, you know, bro. Real hot, you know, Bob Marley, you know, youth. Hotter than a cup of cocoa tea. When I talk about the teeth, sir, like, oh, we want cocoa tea hot. You know what I talk about? I talk about the actual cocoa tea we drink, you know what? Hotter than a cup of cocoa tea, plus the electric stove we boil it.
That's
Tell you no done, hotter than a cup of
Kutani Zatan Tabomokla.
come like I in the world. I in the world, brother. And
Gotcha.
when you happy, you hear idiot laugh. I'm man if you dead, man. You dirty Van Dyke. Kick him in the face. Dirty Van. Petty not that bad. He can go and stay, but
Me
and the
give me
whole
port a
works.
game, I see.
Eardrop. Van Dyke bun up. That name, sir. Mm-mm.
Dan, how much you contain, you know?
Can't they cheap,
And
man.
then, how much you contain?
Can't they cheap, brother? Like 300, 200,000 or so. Out of my way, guys. Oh, my knees.
He'd be proud of us. Look at what we've built together. How far we've come.
Hope
There's always going to
County.
be trouble out there, but we'll manage, right?
Yes, we'll manage.
Yo, you can't tell me say the city in a script here. The man
There's so many
said
times
for a
that
ball even go.
I thought we were going to
The
fail.
announcer.
That all of this would be for nothing.
When the man here said
But
this
we
look
just
like
didn't
it's a
give up.
goal. This build up might be a goal or something like so, yeah, no.
Here's to hope.
Rest in peace, Rush. Far Cry is over. We've completed the game. Far Cry New Dawn is done. You buy a CD, me just run go geek back today or tomorrow. See guys, and that is the end of Far Cry. Well, I go buy Metro Exodus and go start that one, you know. Well, they can do that as well. No, Metro Exodus longer. Yeah, digital. If you take it. They can't download the next game yet. You have to download. I'm finally get it back yesterday. Alright, I just take off the anthem and then play buy Metro Exodus. I call him tomorrow. Alright guys, thank you for watching. It was a nice journey with you guys. Yes.
Guys,
I got a dream setup here.
hello? What's up? We here. Play a game.
Load it up. Well,
Play
good
video
done.
game.
It was a nice journey with you girls.
Yeah.
But which girls though? So you peoples can be bunch of guys.
What are you doing?
Me bomba, who that?
No. Not yet.
Addicted, lie NSA. Popcorn is a freak.
Boy.
Burn up that. Alright, so I'm out guys. Thanks for watching. It's been a great journey.
Yeah.
You know.
Two boy. Yeah, two boy.
Whoa.
Hey, Jealous?
Man, where you at, boy? Where you at, boy? Alright, boom.